What is the meaning of a patent according to Act? It is what we can say, any invention granted under this Act, that is a Patents Act 1970. So all definitions related to what we can say, whatever we are seeing that patent, everything you will get in a section 2 of Indian Patents Act. So according to this, whenever we are talking about a patent, what is the meaning of that patent according to Act? It is any invention granted under this Act. Okay. Now, what is an invention? We have seen that definition is a new product or a process involving an inventive step and capable of industrial application. We have seen all that words, that what is inventive step, what is industrial application, everything we have seen that in detail. What is the inventive step? It is a feature of an invention that involves technical advance as compared to the existing knowledge or having economic significance or both, that makes the invention not obvious to a person skilled in the art. We remember Fosita, person having ordinary skill in the art, and